We got this cool ultrasonic UV retainer cleaner here. So we're gonna crack it open here, we'll get it all set up, and we'll test it out on my retainer. All right, so opening it up here, you're gonna see everything that you get. So you'll get the cleaner itself, or the base for it at least, is all right here. So this little dust protector cap goes right over the top to keep it nice and clean in between cleanings. So that's nice to have. Then you got your instruction manual. Then we have our plug here to give the machine power, along with some tweezers to pick it up. Okay, so how it's gonna work is according to the instruction manual, all you need to do, so the unit opens like this, and that's where your retainer is going to go. So it's got a few different settings on it. So it's got a few different drying settings. So we can dry it via air or heat. So whatever you prefer, maybe the type of retainer you have. Personally, I'll probably use the air setting, but the heat setting is there as well. That works really okay. So let's go set it up here and we'll test it out and see how good it works. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this full of water. So you see right here on the inside, it's kind of hard to see on the video, but there's that line showing where the max fill is. So you don't want to put water above that. Okay, we got it all filled up with water now. It's below the max fill line. So what we're gonna do, bring it in a little closer maybe. So what you do is you take your retainer, and I guess you gotta plug in your machine. All right, you take your retainer, just gonna put the retainer in the water like that. And you'll close the lid here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit the power button. Which turns it on. It's gonna use UV lights to sanitize the retainer. So you can see those UV lights going just right now. So yeah, it's gonna take a few moments to get all cleaned up for us, and then we'll open it up and move on to the next step. All right, so see the timer count down and finish up now in a few seconds. All right, so there's the timer is done. So I'm just gonna open this up here. We'll grab our retainer out. And then we're gonna wanna unplug the machine, dump out the water. Then we'll put the retainer back inside, plug the machine back in, and right down here we'll select the drying mode. You can hear the fan turn on, and that's just going to dry your retainer off. It's going to count down again. This went 470 seconds, so it takes a little bit of time. It'll come out nice and dry. So wait for it to finish up, and then we'll check in on it. All right, so you can see once the timer finishes, pull your retainer out, super clean and nice. Yeah, so this was an awesome little retainer cleaner, and I highly recommend it. Super easy to use and really nice.